Beneath the surface of this wild land, you can feel the pulse of Iceland awakening. Here, colors clash against volcanic blackness, and the world stirs with life and energy. Every breath, every beat, this is nature, raw and unfiltered. Let energy fill your veins as fire and ice collide beneath your feet. Push forward, chase wonder, and let Iceland push you further than ever before. Push forward, chase wonder, and let Iceland push you further than ever before. Here, in the silence, something magical stirs.